Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can enable cache thumbnail on MX Player. So let's get started. Firstly, open MX Player app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next, tap on Settings. After that, tap on General. Next, scroll until you find Cache Thumbnail. Then click on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can enable Cache Thumbnail on MX Player. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.